Say hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
No,
Hi, kids.
not hi, kids. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
What's your name?
Zayden. Lana. Jude.
Who?
Jude.
Jude. What are you guys doing?
We're playing in the backyard on the porch.
Playing in the backyard on the porch, huh?
And Jude's got the ball right here. See? Mama. Hi. Mama.
This is fun.
What's fun?
I lied.
Huh?
We should go wake up Uncle Havoc.
Mama. Oh, come on, let's go. Wait. But he's taking a comfortable nap, so he has a dream that he watched a movie last night.
Like Insidious?
No, not Insidious.
Insidious is...
No.
No.
A guy with a chainsaw.
What?
A guy with a chainsaw.
No. Insidious is the best movie I have ever seen.
The guy with the chainsaw is scarier. Mine.
Ayana, is that true? Or do you like Insidious?
I like Insidious.
You like Insidious better?
The chainsaw is real.
This is a vote. Who likes Insidious? Raise your hand.
Me.
We won. Guy with the chainsaw loses.
Yeah, well, he's scarier than the Insidious kid.
Jude.
And the guy with the chainsaw will win. Whoa. Jude, raise your hand. Who picks the guy with the chainsaw?
Not us.
Not me.
I'm older, so we win. Thank you.